So, hi, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. Fine, fine. Enjoying life. What about you?
I'm also great. And for
Yeah.
me, I'm just fantabulous. For a long time you messaged me for my busy schedules. I'm so sorry for that. I couldn't
No
reply
problem.
your messages.
No problem. No problem.
So, no language to express my gratitude to that you join. So, thank you for joining this conversation.
Okay. I'm also very happy to talk with you, and it is really good pleasure for myself also because I was I've messaged you many times, and now we are talking. So I'm also very happy.
Yes. And as I tell, I cannot express my gratitude. It means that I'm too happy. Just one banana is to meet with you. So first of all, as we're meeting at the first time, for the first time we're meeting in this English spoken English conversation to practice our English. So first of all is a part of greeting. We should get to know each other. So first of all, I'll introduce myself. So I'm Zobin Moshe. I come from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, I'm just in sixth class in a Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student. I'm a little girl, but my passion is to learn English, but I learned English without any target. If you tell about my interest, I'm interested in learning English at the same time neuroscience, reciting in Bengali and anchoring in Bengali. And I'm here to practice English with you in this platform. And of course, I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos. My YouTube channel name is Behzaman Moshe. If you know about my channel, but if you're new, then it's discussing to you and my audience. I'm discussing you ever new of a YouTube channel. So thank you so much for joining this conversation. Yep. So would you like to give your introduction?
Yes. Why not? I will very happy to introduce myself in front of you. As you know that I am Harish Bhave. I am from MP Madhya Pradesh. I am from India, and I have my own medical retail shop. I am a businessman. I have my own medical retail shop, and I have two kids. My elder daughter is 13 year old, and my son is 11-year old, like you. And we all are enjoying.
Yep, I know about your kids now, because
Mhm.
you're one of the kids is 11 and one of the kids is 13. So
30, yes, yes.
you, you as a parents, you should teach English to your kids, I think.
Yes, yes. They are in English medium. They can speak nice English. They can speak
Yeah.
fluent English, no problem in that. But I was not able to speak earlier, but now because of the practicing and because of daily working, I can also speak. And thank you for you. Thank you for you for connecting. Hmm.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. That will help you to grow your English more and more. And try practicing with your kids. They could also learn English more. Because English is a great language. You have to learn it from end to like starting to end up from beginner to advanced. And even native speaker have to learn longest phrasal verbs. And I'm not talking about holding a dictionary in your mind. I'm just talking about just learning English for communicating. And it's just
Yes,
amazing. Great to connect with you. And as you say, practicing help us. So first of all, I want to know, as we're meeting at the first time, I'm curious to know about your English practice. Is this your first conversation, or have you done many conversation before, as you say? How many conversation did you did, and what type
yes.
of way did you follow English?
Yeah, from last 2 months, I can tell you, talked with more than 100 YouTubers, at least 100 YouTubers. Yeah, yes, because I am practice and because of this platform, I am growing. So I always thank all YouTubers that because of you all, I am practicing and I am improving. So I always thank you and you all YouTubers also that because of this platform, because of you all, I am improving. And yes, earlier I was listening a lot, but now from last 1.5 months I am speaking. And the more I am speaking, the more better I am becoming, and I am very happy the way I am improving.
Yep, it's great. And did you got it from my YouTube channel or you just searched it on Skype?
No, I saw your many videos in Skype also, in YouTube also, and that's why I mail you, message you that we should talk one day. And thank you that you accept my request. And it's okay. And I was thinking that you are a little girl, but you can speak very nice English, and that is really very good thing. I will show your video to my kids also, and they will also learn a lot from you.
Thank you for appreciating. And not actually a thing of accepting. Accepting is like who wants to have a conversation with me. I probably accept that in this application. And whatever you did, like you're gonna have a conversation with me. It's probably accepted, but not any other purpose. So I'm
Okay.
so glad it with you, and you got me from my YouTube channel. From which video did you got me?
Yeah, I have seen your almost 3 to 4 videos, and all were very interesting and informative also because the way you speak, the way you handle yourself, that is really very commendable.
Yep. Which video is more helpful to you? Like this is more helpful for me. Like what do you recommend for audience that what they want to see in my YouTube channel? What is more helpful, do you think?
Yeah, the way you speak, the confidently you speak, and speak with very confident. That is really very good thing because you are very. Just you told that you are in class 6, and in class 6 you are speaking like that. So if you will grow, if you will study more, so you will be better speaker one day. That is no doubt in that.
Thank you for your best wishes. And as I told, for my passion to learn English, and probably when I learn English, and learning English is, I don't have any target, but I love English the way they do. So at
So
the first time,
your all friends speak in English or they speak in Bengali only?
in a Bengali accent, which is called like in a Bangladeshi accent, they speak, but they don't speak like me. They're not actually fluent because they didn't got the practice. They didn't got this platform. I think they didn't practice. That's why they couldn't learn English. But if they practice, they probably could be fluent in English, right?
So how you learn this language?
So it's completely dating back to years ago. Not actually years ago, like 3 years or something, when I was just in class 1. That time, my teacher questioned me in English, like a kid do when the teacher asks me a question. That time, I couldn't make question in English. In English class, we have a rule that everyone have to speak in English. Other school. That time, I couldn't make questions, and sometimes, um, they say me many things, but my teacher helped me a little bit. That's what I'm telling to you. And this is the turning point when my parents are dreaming of my daughter could learn English. But I wouldn't think of that I'll have a YouTube channel and I'll make videos and I'll share with people and I'll learn English, American accent and British accent.
Yes,
Even
yes.
fluent in that accent till now, but I tried. Because trying every day, learning every day is a part of Japanese technique called kaizen, my
Kaizen,
improvement
Kaizen.
every single day.
Yes, yes,
Did you
yes,
read the
yes,
book? I read the book.
yes, yes. I read that book Kaizen and Ikigai. Ikigai also.
I
Have
don't
you read
read
that
that,
book?
but
Okay.
I'm eager to read that. I'm finding on web, but I am searching for the English version and like many sectors to buy that book. I really recommend that book for everyone. And Kaizen, I got it from a book review. In English, they say small improvement every single day. Like when you're gonna do this, it's like small improvement every single day
Yes.
doing tasks, and when you're gonna complete 1% of every day, it will change your
Yes,
life.
yes,
It's
yes, yes. And Ikigai, I'm telling you about the review of Ikigai. If you will read that book Ikigai, in that Ikigai, they said, means author said that if you have any purpose in life, then automatically you will get the things which you wanted. So you must have one purpose and one strong purpose. So if you are thinking that your English should be good, so if your purpose is strong, then you means your energy will go in same that flow. So automatically you will get very good results. So I read that
yeah,
book and that book was really very nice. Whenever you get opportunity, go and read.
yep. And this in a book, I guess it's have a chart on what you love to do, what your skill in, what
Yes,
you
yes.
like to do, earn money, this types of thing.
Yes, yes, same thing, same thing. Do the things which you are like to do. So automatically you are master in that in some days only. So whatever you do, try to you should love that things. So automatically your whole interest, your whole involvement will be there, and you can good in that particular that subject or that field.
So, sir, how many books you've read about,
Yeah,
you
I
know,
read.
fictional books in
Yeah, actually,
English?
I'm not a good reader because my eyesight is weak. As you know, my I am wearing the specs also. So I read only 4 5 books till today. But yes, I read all the good books. One book was You Can Win. Shiv Keda's You Can Win. That book was also very nice. Second book is
I
Rich.
know that maybe it's the Bengali translation is in my bookshelf, in my mini bookshelf. I know that. I know
Okay.
that. Yep.
And second book is Rich Dad Poor Dad. That was also a very
Uh,
nice book. But you are very small, so if you will
yep.
not read after 10 years. So that will be better for you. To in that book, the author said about the money, how to handle the money, how to manage the money, and how to invest money. But you are too small, so there is no need for you to read that book today. But yes, after some times you can read it. And third book is Ikigai. That is also a very nice book. And if you have purpose, if you have determination, you can do anything. The goal and purpose is very important. And I am reading nowadays small story books, Sudha Murthy small story books. That is very good for to improve your communication, to improve your English. So if you will read such type of books, you will get many good ideas how to speak correct English.
Read, from English books, I read The Alchemist, Who Moved My Cheese, and Still Like an Artist. These three books in my list of English books, motivational.
Yes,
And I also read storybooks, but personally, I like motivational books more.
yes, yes.
And Who Moved
What
My
is your
Cheese
school
is my
timing?
all.
So what is your school timing? Morning time or afternoon time? When you go to school?
From 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Okay. 10 to 4.
Not 10 to 4, like 10 to the afternoon time.
Okay.
So I'm probably busy at that time.
Okay, so you know how to edit the videos and all the things because you told me that you are a YouTuber. So you must all know everything about how to edit, how to thumbnail, or many things. Even I do not know what is in there.
Actually, I edit my videos, and my
Okay,
mother do the complete thing. Sometimes, mostly my mother designed the thumbnail, but my work is to do the video and edit.
okay,
And sometimes I help my mother in thumbnail, but she do the whole process.
very good, very good. It means you all doing means your whole family is involved in this YouTube journey. Your YouTube journey,
Not
no?
only me and her.
So have you monetized your channel or not?
Not.
No. Okay, no problem.
But
No problem.
we need your all support. I'm telling to my
Yes,
audience that what they like, they should like, and they should subscribe if they like. I'm not telling if you don't like, then subscribe. I'm telling
okay.
that if that's helpful to you, then subscribe.
Okay, I will tell my all friends, all my relatives to join or subscribe your channel. It will be
Yes,
good for you.
they like. If they don't like, that's a
100%.
no.
100% I will tell all my friends also.
Thank you for your thing. And I have a question for you, sir. That your kids learn English very fluently. And um, what difference did you like from a native speaker difference to an English learner difference is a huge. Like, and what you find the difference they like, and from the difference you could pick the tips, like she's more fluent than me, then what should I find? I study English, but she practice English regularly. I memorize the words, but she kept it that mind and used to talk with me that. What the difference did you find? And this difference could be your tips to learn English.
Yes, I am telling you the real thing what is happening in India or in Bangladesh also same thing is there also. So actually the atmosphere is not here, especially in school. And I belong to a very small district place. So here in school also, whenever I go to attend the parents meeting, even their teachers also speaking Hindi and sometimes they speak English. So atmosphere is not there. The main lacking point is that we are not getting the atmosphere. We means all Indians, I can say, or all in small where those who are living in small district place, they are not getting the atmosphere. That's why their kids they themselves could not speak fluently. And if you will get the atmosphere, automatically you will get things very easily. So in school, they must do. They should give punishment if they will means if the student will speak in Hindi or their mother tongue. So they should give them punishment. Then only they will become a good speaker. Means they can speak English. Otherwise, if the school teachers, if the principal, they will not punish them. They will speak in Hindi only. So for student, for management, the school management, they should take care of this particular. And if they will do automatically in 2 3 years, the students can speak good English.
Yep, I definitely agree with your point. So thank you so much for joining this conversation. It's a long time. And when we do conversation, we don't care about time. So it's a really wonderful conversation with you. So
Okay,
the time is getting long. We have to soon end up. So have a great day tomorrow. Bye
okay,
bye.
bye bye bye. Okay, thank you for connecting.